Welcome to Dongguan Keyouda Electronic Technology Company Limited, aka DGKYD. Let's go and take a look inside. The company was established in 2010. It has focused on the design, development, production and sales of the RJ45 network connectors for over 13 years through continuous innovation and patent accumulation. The company has won the title of High-Tech Enterprise and Innovative Enterprise by the Chinese government. The company's products are divided into 4 series. The first series is RJ45 with transformer connectors. The structure covers from single layer, single port products to double layer 16 port products, and the rate covers from 100 megabits per second to 10 gigabits per second. The second series is the RJ without transformer connectors. The RJ9, RJ10, RJ11, RJ12, RJ45, RJ48 single port to multi-port series. The third series is network transformers ranging from 12 pin to 96 pin. The above 3 series of products can be applied to customer DIP, SMD and THR processes. The fourth series is RJ related wire harness products. All the company's products have obtained CE, FCC, UL and other certifications.
And this is our QC department.
The raw materials required by the company's products will be purchased from approved qualified suppliers, and incoming quality control will be carried out to ensure that the materials used on the line are actually qualified raw materials. The products are all produced independently from parts to finished products. We design our own molds, and then the terminals and metal shell parts are stamped through high-speed precision stamping. The company designs and manufactures plastic molds and completes the production of plastic parts through precision injection molding machines. The key production processes are all automated: LED automatic processing and LED automatic assembly. During assembly, there is a 100% electrical detection function to screen out defective LED lights. Automatic soldering process, automatic dispensing process and automatic semi-finished products. Assembly process, finished product automatic testing process, among which the automatic testing equipment is the company's 3rd generation of self-developed equipment with the characteristics of stable performance, high efficiency and many test items. The main electrical parameters such as capacitance, resistance, Sertal ratio balance and disconnection short circuit, ACR and DCR values are all 100% tested, and defective products are automatically classified and placed separately to ensure that the products have undergone strict and comprehensive testing before leaving the factory. Constant temperature and humidity warehouse is clean and tidy, clearly marked.
So, choose DGKYD
We are looking forward to cooperating with you. And if you want more information, click here.